Today we will discuss here the topic function. So definition of the function is a function f from a set A to a set B is a specific type of a relation for which every element x of a set A has one and only one image by in set B. By mathematical way we can write the definition of function in this way: f such that a goes to b where y is equal to f of x, x belongs to a and y belongs to a. For better enhancing our knowledge, we can take here example of function, that is this is a set A, this is a set B, and we know the definition of function, that is set A has one and only one image in set B. So here the image of A is 1, the image of B is 2 and the image of C is 3. This satisfies the definition of function. So this is the example of a function. Let us take here another example. This is a set A, this is a set B. Here A goes to 1, A goes to 2 and here 1 and 2 are the images of A. So this is not satisfy the definition of function. So this is not example of a function. Let us now discuss the types of a function. Number one function. One function is also known as injective function. So the definition of injective function is function f such that A goes to B is one of image of distinct element of A under f. So this is the set A, this is the set B. A, the image of A is 1, the image of B is 2 and the image of C is 3. So it satisfies the 1 function. Now let us take another example here. This is a set A, set B. Here A goes to 1, B goes to 2 and C goes to 3. Here B and C have image 2, that is same. So this neglect the definition of 1. So this is not a 1 function because B and C contains exactly same image, that is 2. So this is many one function. Now discuss onto function and into function. Onto function is also known as surjective function. Now its definition is function f such that A goes to B is onto if every element of B is image of some element of A. For better understanding we can take the example of onto here. So let us take here, this is a set A, this is a set B, and we know the definition of onto, that is every element of set B is image of some element of A. So here this is a B set and one has its image, one has its image A, 2 has its image B and 3 has its image C. So it satisfies the definition of onto function. Now let us take another example here. This is a set A and this is a set B. We know the definition of onto, that is every element of B is image of some element of A. So here 1 contain its image, that is A and B. A and B are the images of 1. The image of C is 2 contain its image 2. The image of 2 is C. Here this is not the definition of onto. It neglect the definition of onto. This is the into function.